Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to record the screen on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or 15 Plus. How to make a screen recording. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. In order to do this, we're going to need the first thing we need to do is go to Settings. Then we'll scroll down here. Open Control Center. And here you need to find Screen Recording and press plus. After that we go out. We swipe down from the top. And here we have this icon in the Control Center. We press it. Here we can choose whether we want to record with a microphone or without a microphone, and whether we want to save the video to a photo or to other applications that we have here. We click on Enable. As you can see at the top, we've started recording, and now are recording the screen. Now we can do these different movements, and after we stop, we press stop. Now we can go and automatically go to the gallery. Now look, here we have made a screen recording, and here we have it working now. As I showed you, this is how you can simply record the screen of your iPhone. If you liked and helped this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everybody.